Interesting. So we will head forward to the valley, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my videos with others, encourage me to make more videos like this wherever I go and show you these places. That is the tunnel and tunnel view. Must be doing rock climbing on this. It's interesting to see. We are just at the bottom of this rock and it's rising all the way up. I think maybe 200-story building, quite a height. And look at the rush, a lot of people. Now हाइट कौन करेगा? पसीना पसीना हो जाएंगे।
इतनी तो कर सकते हैं।
वो पसीना पसीना हो जाएंगे।
तो वो है ना शेड है पेड़।
So this is the valley?
हाँ बस वैली में आ गया।
पूरा और आगे तक जाना है?
वन वे है ना तो पूरा गोल चक्कर।
बस गोल चक्कर ही मारेंगे। कैलिफोर्निया। Look at that. Oh, there is a waterfall there also. Oh, look at that. Truck with chairs. Wow.
要的拍出来，我求求你了，我告诉你怎么拍好。
啊，不要送了，
Beautiful, beautiful view. Tunnel view in Yosemite National Park. We went Glacier Point first, and from there we are going to Yosemite Valley, and this comes on the way. So whenever you plan early in the morning whenever you're coming here, otherwise you will see a lot of people, crowded place. Let me show you. There is some kind of guided tour, and people are sitting on a truck. Behind truck there is like a car with seats. Look at that. Interesting. So we will head forward to the valley, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my videos with others, encourage me to make more videos like this wherever I go and show you these places. That is the tunnel and tunnel view. The rock in front of us is El Capitan in Yosemite National Park. Many people come to see this rock as well. This is one of the attractions. It's just amazing rock. Look at the height. I'm pretty much sure people must be doing rock climbing on this. It's interesting to see. We are just at the bottom of this rock, and it's rising all the way up. I think maybe 200-story building, quite a height. And look at the rush, a lot of people. Now मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है ब्राइडल
फॉल्स है ये अच्छे हैं, लेट्स जा सकते हैं।
अभी पार्क करना है यहाँ पे?
हाइक करना पड़ेगा, पहले पार्किंग देखनी पड़ेगी फिर हाइक करना पड़ेगा।
हाइक कौन करेगा? पसीना पसीना हो जाएंगे।
इतनी तो कर सकते हैं.
वो पसीना पसीना हो जाएंगे.
अंदर तो वो है ना शेड है पेड़.
So this is the valley.
हाँ बस वैली में आ गए और पूरा
और आगे तक जाना है.
वन वे है ना तो पूरा गोल चक्कर.
बस गोल चक्कर ही मारेंगे. Look at the waterfall. It's coming all the way from top of the hill and water is misting through down. Interesting waterfall. Besides, there is a El Capitan rock. Look at that, El Capitan rock.
So there is a season 2 that you love, you just didn't know that you downloaded it?
So quite a lot of people came. It's a long weekend and we did good thing coming in the morning. I'm pretty much sure after that there will be like long queues.
ये जा रहा है क्या? पार्किंग पे भी जाना है.
Yeah.
पार्किंग खत्म हो गई.
Look at the stream. It's fast stream. This is all snow melting very fast.
लोगों ने इधर लगा दी हुई ऐसे.
Oh, it's just like a rapids. We at another view. The fast moving water that we were seeing, that water is very calm here, and look at the view. This is the snow melting river. The dog is enjoying. He likes this water because he was feeling hot. Ice cold water, snow melting, and this is making a stream and then waterfalls. And here is the rock just next to the water stream. And people are doing camping here. Big tree. Big trees. This is the view. This is like very calm, very wide, deep kind of river. Look at that. The dog loves water. This water is ice cold. He's loving it. Whoa, swimming. He's swimming. Nice. Yosemite National Park in California. We are in the Yosemite Valley.
Fíjate que se me fríen los pies porque mira, toca mi pie. Sí.
El agua no cambia.
Es que papi, mira, si te quedas ahí dentro mucho, aquí te empieza a doler.
Gosh.
Really cold.
Yeah, no, it's ice melting. You cannot stay there like more than 1 minute, I think.
It's like taking an ice bath. It's straight cold, nothing else.
You know, if you just go, do not wet your head, maybe blood will start coming out from nose
Yeah.
because heat will go up, escape from the cold. Finally, the final destination of Yosemite Fall. We were trying to find the parking. We were going in circles, almost like 5 or 6 circles we made. Finally, we got the parking. So now I will go to the fall. It's like a really big fall, and you will also enjoy. Just look at the surroundings of this place. Wherever I can see, there are like big falls. Look at the big rock. I'm standing next to it. And the fall is right here. This is the fall. So try to go near the fall. There is a little trail that we have to take to that place. This is the month of July, and